Welcome. In this video, we will guide you how to fix the unable to authenticate Google account issue in Pokemon Go. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. Next, verify your Google account login. Open your device settings and go to Accounts. Ensure your Google account is active and signed in correctly. If needed, re-enter your Google account password to refresh the connection. Next, clear Pokemon Go cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, find Pokemon Go, and Storage. Tap Clear Cache. If the problem persists, tap Clear Data, but clearing data may log you out to ensure you remember your login credentials. Then, update Pokemon Go. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and check for updates. Install any available updates for Pokemon Go to fix compatibility issues. Next, check app permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management, Pokemon Go, Permissions. Ensure permissions like location, storage, and contacts are enabled, as these are necessary for account authentication. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall Pokemon Go from your App Store or Google Play Store, and then log back in using your Google account credentials. Next, check Google account synchronize settings. Open Settings, Accounts, Google. Make sure Pokemon Go is listed under synchronized apps. If it's not, add the account again and enable synchronizing. The last solution is contact Pokemon Go support. If none of these steps work, visit the Niantic support website or Twitter account or use the in-app help option to report the issue. That's how you can resolve the unable to authenticate Google account error in Pokemon Go. Follow these steps to get back into the game. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and fixes.